We guide you through how to refund a payment on Stripe. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Stripe dashboard and click Payments from the left-hand menu. Find the payment you want to refund by using the search bar or scrolling through your recent transactions. Then click on the payment to open its details. On the payment page, click the Refund button. Next, choose whether you want to issue a full refund or a partial refund by entering the amount you want to return. If available, you can also select a reason for the refund, although this is optional. Once you've confirmed the refund amount, click Refund Payment to process it. Stripe will begin processing the refund immediately, but depending on the customer's bank or payment method, it may take several business days for the money to appear in their account. You can also check the refund status from the same payment details page in your Stripe dashboard.